Sarah Wingard, U.S. Immigration Attorney with 3A Immigration. In today's video, we're going to cover a list of documents that are likely required for your E-2 visa application. All right, first of 10. First up, you will need to include your U.S. company Articles of Incorporation or formation documents. So these are the documents that you get when you first registered your company in the United States. They show your ownership in the business. All right, on to number 2. E-2 investors are going to need to document their investment, and that likely includes bank statements, and that'll be used as evidence of the transfer of your investment funds from your personal bank account to the U.S. company business bank account. Very important, because you will want to show incoming investment funds, maybe receipts or purchase orders for business-related expenses, and these bank statements will be evidence of the funds leaving the U.S. company operating account to be used to pay for business-related expenses to get you to that substantial investment requirement for an E-2. Okay, number 3, business licenses in your location. So if your business requires some sort of state or local license to operate in the specific location where your business is located in the United States, you will need to obtain and provide copies of those licenses that you need to operate your business to show that you're legitimate. Okay, number 4, next up, your business plan. So your business plan is typically one of the most important documents for your E-2 visa application. Now, generally, an E-2 visa business plan will outline your business model, and it's going to include both financial forecasts and personal hiring forecasts as well for the next 5 years. Very important to create jobs for U.S. workers. All right, on to number 5. You will submit a copy of the lease where you're operating your E-2 business from. Now, I know a lot of you would prefer not to lease out an additional space because of the additional expense, but I've got to say as an immigration attorney that it's a heck of a lot easier to get your E-2 approval if you have a separate location, not your house, that you're operating the business from. All right, number 6, resumes, degrees, certificates, diplomas, and transcripts. Now, it is important to show that you, as the E-2 investor, are going to be able to successfully operate your business in the United States. So some of the things that we like to submit are going to be the investor's qualifications, like their resume, their degree, and their diploma, to prove that they're going to be successful in this new U.S. entity. All right, number 7, don't forget your family. So if you've got dependents like your spouse or your kids under the age of 21, you will want to include their passports and their birth certificates in your filing. Number 8 is really important, the source of funds. You've got to document it for an E-2. You need to include evidence showing how you receive the funds that you use for your E-2 investment. So the type of documents here to include will depend upon your specific circumstance, but you need to show that they were legal and legitimate funds. All right, number 9 is important. You got evidence to show that the business is real and operating. So that's going to be photos of your business, maybe invoices that you've sent out to customers. You could include like a printout of your website, or maybe there's an online directory that lists your business as well. That's helpful. And then number 10, the easiest of all, submit your passport. So you're going to want to submit the bio page from your passport showing your country of citizenship that you're eligible for an E-2. All right. There you've got it, a list of 10 documents that will likely need to be submitted with your E-2 application. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Give us a call at 3A Immigration for help with your E-2 visa application.